Respected brothers and sisters from India living in any country of the world as NRI, I, Income Tax Advocate Dhirender Singh, today I will explain what is an NRO and NRE bank account, their differences and benefits. Dear NRI friends, please provide me your name, WhatsApp or Telegram number and country you live, because my motto is to provide you directly all much needed latest NRI taxation related information. I will be very happy to reply if you all ask me NRI taxation related questions on my WhatsApp or Telegram or email. If you all like my efforts, please subscribe my YouTube channel DS NRI Tax, a NRI Indian taxation related YouTube channel. On request of Engineer Nishant Kumar, working as E8DS at Petronas, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, today I am going to explain in details what is NRO and NRA bank account, their differences and benefits. Friends, an NRI who is earning from both sides, abroad and in India, often faces difficulties in managing his or her money. They also find it difficult to track bank accounts in different countries. And also when trying to repatriate money to their home account, NRE and NRO accounts helps with this. Wonder how? Today I am covering these topics in my video. First, what is NRE, non-resident rupee account? 2. What is NRO, non-resident ordinary rupee account? 3. Why do we need NRE and NRO accounts? 4. How to choose between NRE and NRO account? 6. Different benefits from NRE account and NRO account. 6. Difference between NRE and NRO account. First, what is NRE, non-resident rupee account? The NRE account is an Indian rupee dominated account offering complete security. These accounts can be in the form of saving, current, recurring or fixed deposits. The foreign currency you deposit in the account is converted into Indian rupees. You can now transfer your fund, principal and interest, both amount to a foreign account from an NRE account without any complications and restrictions. You need to note that the amount you need to deposit into these accounts must be earned outside India. 2. What is NRO, non-resident ordinary rupee account? An NRO account is a saving or current account held by NRIs in India to manage their income earned in India. Account holders can deposit and manage their accumulated money without any hassle. The account allows you to receive funds in India and foreign currency. You can apply for an NRO account jointly with a resident Indian or even NRI. It is even feasible to transfer money from your current NRE account. However, the interest you earn in this account is subject to Indian Income Tax Act 1961. 3. Why do we have NRE and NRO accounts? As per the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, guidelines, it is illegal for NRIs to have saving account in their name in India. It is mandatory that you convert all your savings, money earned abroad, to a non-resident rupee NRE / non-resident ordinary rupee NRO account. Therefore, continuing to use the saving account in the home country can attract hefty penalty. Open an NRE or NRO account is hence a good option for non-resident Indians. It can help NRI into two ways. One, they can send the money they earn abroad to India at any point of time. 2. They can also keep their income from India in the home country itself. 4. How to choose between NRE and NRO account? 4 benefits each of having NRE and NRO accounts. First, Remit your overseas earning to India and convert it in Indian rupees. 2. Maintain saving in Indian rupees but keep them liquid. 3. Hold a joint account with another NRI. 4. Rupee savings to be freely repetitive. 4 benefits of having NRO account. First, keep India basis earning in Indian rupees. Have an account to deposit income earned in India, rent, dividend, etc. 3. Open account with a resident Indian, close relatives. 4. Charges apply for repetition. 5. Difference between different benefits from NRE account and NRO account. A. Repetition. NRO account has limited access to repetition. An NRO account restricts you from remitting more than 1 million US dollar, inclusive of tax during the assessment year. You can repatriate the interest amount freely, but the principal amount can be repatriated only when set limits. It also requires to understand along with a certificate from a chartered accountant. However, repatriation is free for NRE account holders for both the principal and the interest amount. B. Tax treatment. An NRE account is tax free. No income tax, wealth tax or gift tax in India. On other hand, the interest earned in NRO account and credit balance is subject to respective income tax bracket. They are also subject to applicable wealth and gift tax. You can avail the reduced tax benefits under double taxation avoidance agreement DTAA. C. Joint account holding. You can have a joint NRE account only if both the parties are NRIs. On the other hand, you can open an NRO account with another NRI or a resident Indian, a close relative as mentioned under Section 6 of Companies Act 1956. 6. Difference between the NRE and NRO account. Both NRE and NRO accounts are Indian rupee account. You can open them as saving as well as current account. Also, the average monthly balance you must maintain for both the account is 75,000 Indian rupees. These are the difference between NRE and NRO account. First, deposit and withdrawal. NRE account can deposit in foreign currency and withdraw in Indian currency. NRO account can deposit in foreign currency as well as in Indian currency and withdraw in Indian currency. 2. Transfer of fund. NRE accounts can An NRE account allows you to transfer fund to another NRE account as well as an NRO account. NRO account, you can transfer fund from NRO to another NRO account, but you cannot transfer your funds from NRO account to NRE account. 3. Effect of exchange rate fluctuation. NRE account. NRE accounts are subjected to conversion loss and fluctuation in value of rupees against foreign currency. NRO accounts, there are no risk involved in NRO account. Friends, if you like this NRI taxation video, please share this video with your friends and please provide me your name, WhatsApp, Telegram number, country you live, because my motto is to provide you directly all much needed latest tax, NRI taxation related information. I will be very happy to reply if you ask me NRI taxation related questions on my WhatsApp or Telegram or email. If you all like my efforts, please subscribe my YouTube channel DS NRI Tax, a NRI taxation related YouTube channel. Thank you.